Okay, this is Rosie Bird, and I am back. If you've wondered where I've been, I haven't done any videos for quite a while. It's because I've been sick. I had a planned surgery in August, and then in November I had an event that took me into the emergency room and took me to the big city, and I had actually a peritoneal window, if you know what that is, for your heart, to save my life. And 2 weeks later, they did open heart surgery on December 7th to repair a congestive heart defect. Come on over here, Sunset, so you're in the camera. This is my sweet Sunset, who just left. All right, this is Sunset's brother, actually, from a later clutch. This is a 2018 bird. Not on my head. Come on, I want you in the camera. Flew up on my head. He is what I'm calling a blue-edged cream. Somebody told me no, he's a bronze fallow. Well, I think the bronze birds are slightly darker. He's pretty pale. Yeah. Come here, Sunset. Now you're on my head. What is it about my head that you guys like? The birds do darken as they get older, as they mature. So these two are actually brothers. Yeah. And hand-fed and very sweet and very tame. This little guy is still for sale. Nobody's spoken for him yet. His siblings earlier in the year were very popular. Anyhow, what I was trying to tell you is that I am recovering from open heart surgery. I'm doing much better, and they expect me to make a full recovery. It was to replace or to fix a heart defect that I've probably had my whole life, and somehow got, come on out, sweetie, you're not in the camera when you're over there. You need to be in the camera. Yeah. So I'm much better, and hopefully we'll be able to do more videos in the future. And again, this little cream is still for sale. And I also have some very nice normals and some good breeding stock, especially if you're interested in some that are Latino, and or split to Latino. I have those, so you can write to me. I'm on the south coast of Oregon, in Coos County. Yeah, on my head again. How do you like the top of my head? You want to play with my hair, do you? So anyhow, if you want more information, write to us at Rosie, R-O-S-I-E, .birds, B-I-R-D-S, @gmail.com. rosiebirds@gmail.com. And you can see, I'll tell you what we have available. And since I've been spending too much time in the hospital lately, I have a lot of birds that I haven't sold yet. Usually I wouldn't have any left by this time of the year, but the beginning of the following year. But I do now. So it's to your advantage if you want Bourkes, and you're able to come here. Come here. Oops. Here we go. So there's Sunset up there. Where's Starfire? What are you doing over here, little girl? Whoop, here she is. Let me get you out of my... Okay, here. Come here. Come on. Let's get you out of there. Come on. Starfire has a dark spot on her head from the newspaper ink. She's been chewing on newspaper, rubbing her head on the perches, and getting her head dirty. Yeah. Silliness. Here you go. She wants a nest box. So she's been chewing on the newspaper on the bottom of her cage, trying to make a nest in the corner. And I don't want her nesting yet. It's still winter, little girl. Yeah, we're not gonna get busy for a while, for a few more months anyway. Oh, and here's another little hand-fed baby I let out. Come here, sweetie. This is one of our normals. What are you doing up there? Hello. Hello. Okay. Come here. You wobble, wobble. Come on. So this is a normal, and he's tame too. Very sweet. And split to Lutino. Actually, his parents are this Lutino hen and Sunset, who just decided to get on my head again. This again is Sunset's sibling who's been hanging out with me. Yeah. And there's the normal. And over here is Sunset. And Stormy and Peaches. Yeah. And over here, Blossom also wants a nest box. That's the perch that would normally go to her nest box. The hole is covered with duct tape at the moment. But they all think that they should be breeding right now, and it's not the right time of year. Yeah. I'm trying to keep the lights off as much as possible, but they're still interested in reproducing, and I try to limit them to 2 to 3 clutches a year. Anything more than that is kind of stressful. So Sunset, come here, Betty. Come on. Oh, we lost our baby. We lost your baby brother. He's over here. Come on. Come here, sweetness. Yeah. I have mentioned this before. You can pet Bourkes, but they don't like their heads scratched, unlike other parakeets. But you can pet them and kiss them and make over them. Yeah. Okay, I think we're going to end now. Say goodbye, Starfire. And say goodbye to your, what did he be? He'd be your brother-in-law. Yeah. Since he's a brother of Sunset. Yep. Okay. So, bye for now. And if you want to keep me in your prayers, I've certainly had a lot of prayers which got me through the surgeries. And I've done really well, and I'm very grateful. And look forward to continuing with my Bourkes for a while. Oh, and I mustn't forget, I hope you'll all go get a copy of my book. Tried to put as much of my experience as I could into it. Rosie Bird's Guide to Small Exotic Birds by Gail A. Lewis. And now I'll go see what our little dog is fussing about. So bye for now.